Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 6th, and this is my analysis of the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly, I still think we're in a wave 3. I think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3. Now on the shorter time frames, I think you can see a subdivision of the wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3. So we might be possibly getting close to the wave 3. I still think there's a possibility it could take out this high before it actually does go down and make a wave 4 and go back up for the wave 5. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, I think I can see the subdivision in here. It looks like a 1, 2, probably a 3, a 4, and a wave 5. We are at a fib level, so we do have to be careful. I mean, it doesn't have to take out this high right here. It could possibly start a big old wave 4 anytime. But for now, the trend is up, and there's definitely no proof that the trend is over. Going down to the daily time frame, I don't see a break of structure to the downside. I don't see really a lower high yet. We do have a little bit of a Fibonacci bounce, but until we get like a break of structure to the downside, I would definitely still primarily be pretty bullish on the shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, I got my Fibonacci retracement out here. I was expecting to see a bigger move down on the yen, but it looks like it made 3 waves down. It looks like it made a big spike reversal. I mean, it may just keep on going up. Maybe it's just going to go up to this fib level and then turn back down. But either way, I mean, it does look like it's still going up. And according to the higher time frames, we should still be looking for longs in a uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, this is definitely a trend. It looks like a wave A. This looks like a wave B. This looks like a trend for a wave C. Well, right down to the 61.8. It really does look like this is going up, and we do have some pretty important pound news coming out today, so we'll have to see. I mean, you definitely want to be careful of that pound news. It could possibly cause it to keep going down. I was kind of thinking that the yen pairs would go down more before it went up, but by the looks of the pattern, by the looks of that chart, it really does look like we already have the end of a crescent right here. And if it really is the end of a crescent, then it should just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, continuing this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.